With your voice, open the fridge door. Yeah, this is how it works. This is the whole area of the fridge. And you see a little camera over here. This is where they scan your food. And for example, if you put the tomato inside, you see a window popping up. And you can click on the tomato, for example, and have the expiration date manually given. Yeah. And you have the camera over here, so it actually has a vision to your doors as well. Great. So yeah, sideways you also have a beverage center over here. The water fills itself automatically. Yeah, and then if you click on the little bell icon over here, you get the daily recommended recipes according to your preferences and also what's in your fridge. This is the whole ingredients and instructions you need and more recipes over here. And if you click send to the oven, it sends the instructions to the oven and preheats the oven. Basically how it works.
Can you show where is camera?
Camera. It's over here.
Ah, okay. And often reacts, oder?
Sorry?
And
Auf Deutsch geht auch.
okay, und offen reagiert, oder?
Das ist nur ein Display hier.
Okay.
Leider. Offen gibt's da in dem Küchenbereich.
Okay.
Ja.